Hello students. In the last video we have seen while starting through the chapter we have seen two type of lists in this chapter. That one was the order list and unordered list. I have given you program as well for practice. If you are not having computer or laptop, even you can see video again and again. So you will get to know that how to do the programming. How to do the practical of the on this chapter. Okay, so now going with the another form of list, that one is the definition list. Now here the word definition itself says that define, like in your book there is a define, like define computer, define hard disks, define hmm, define laptop, define attributes. Okay, so these are the different statements on which you are asked to define them, you are asked to elaborate them. Okay, so here definition list also works in the same manner, like if you in our website we want to give definition of any of the point, then how we can give that, how we can define that point in our web page. So for that, what is used for that, the definition list element is used from the list element. So the definition list elements includes a definition. What does it include? Definition. आपके बुक में होती है ना definition, like computer define computer. Okay, so what you do, you write the computer and below you write its definition. Okay, so इसी फॉर्म में हमें क्या करना है, वेब पेज के ऊपर डेफिनेशन प्रिंट करना है. So how we can print that? We can print that using HTML. But how, which tag are used? So for that, for definition list, for defining any of the list in our HTML, which tag is used? The L tag is used for defining any of the list in HTML on our web page. Okay, in HTML on our web page. Like same way we can say for for defining order list, which tag we were using, we were using the OL tag. Okay, and for defining the unordered list, which tag we were using, we were using the UL tag. Like here, see, for defining unordered list we were using the UL tag, and for defining the order list we were using OL tag. In the same way, for defining a definition list, which tag we have to use? We have to use a DL tag. Now, as talking about the definition, now order list and unordered list, we are having the list item. What order list and unordered list we are having? These list items. But definition list don't have the list items. उसके अंदर क्या है? List items नहीं है. What is there then in definition list? In definition list is divided in two parts. First part is the definition term and the other one is the definition description. Okay, like here you can see that definition term. This is one definition, and here this is the definition term, and this is the define. Okay, of the definition term. Okay, so these are the two parts of definition list. First one is the definition term. ये definition term हो गया, ये definition term हो गया. Okay, and this part is the definition description. Okay, so definition term. What is definition term? Definition term is displayed. Definition term, like हम कह सकते computer. The word computer is the definition term. Then where it is placed on the web page when we use this definition term. The definition term is placed on the left side in the browser, where it is displayed on the browser. On the browser it is displayed on the left side in the browser. Okay, and in HTML it is denoted with DT tag. अभी definition list तो किससे denote कर दिया, declare कर दिया कि हम definition list का program लिख रहे हैं DL tag से. पर उसके अंदर क्या है? दो पार्ट है. One is definition term. तो definition term के लिए हम कौन सा tag यूज करते हैं? We use the DT tag. And for definition description, which tag we are using? We are using the DD tag for definition description. And definition description is what does definition description do? The definition description specifies the definition of the term. अब ये definition है ना, ये definition term है ना, इसका क्या कर रहा है, ये जो पार्ट हो गया ना स्पेसिफाई से लेके टैग तक, दिस इज द डेफिनेशन, definition which describes the definition term. Okay, we describe the definition term. Okay, so definition description specifies the definition of the term in the definition list. And in HTML, how is definition description denoted? It is denoted with DD tag. Okay, so here the definition list has three tag, uses three tags. First one is the DL tag for denoting that the list is of definition list. The second and the DL tag includes two terms, two parts. That first part is definition term, which is denoted with DT tag, and the second part, the definition term is denoted with DT tag, and definition description is denoted with DD tag. Okay, now going with the next point. The last type of list that we are going to learn over here is the nested list. Now what is nested list? नेस्टेड से पता चलता है कि बहुत कुछ एक दूसरे के अंदर मिक्स करके आया है, उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं, वी कॉल इट अ नेस्टेड. ओके, जैसे कि दो तीन सब्जेक्ट्स, अभी आपने क्या किया है, दो तीन सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए एक ही नोटबुक बनाई है, तो दैट कैन बी कॉल्ड एज अ नेस्टेड. टीचर्स आर डिफरेंट, बट सारा आपका जो दो तीन सब्जेक्ट्स का जो भी नोट्स है, जो दो तीन सब्जेक्ट के जो भी नोट्स है, वेयर यू आर रिटर्न दोज नोट्स, यू आर रिटर्न इन अ सेम नोटबुक. Okay, it is told to write in a same notebook. That can be called as a nested. That can be an example of nested list. So what is a nested list? A list nested inside another list is called a nested list. एक के अंदर हमने और एक एक्स्ट्रा कुछ डाल दिया ना, तो उसको हम क्या कह सकते हैं, we call it a nested. We call it a nested list. Likewise, we can say, जैसे कि हमने सोचो ऑर्डर लिस्ट बनाई है, ऑर्डर लिस्ट के अंदर ना हम अनऑर्डर लिस्ट को भी डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं, तो इस टाइप के लिए यहाँ पे हियर इट विल बी अनऑर्डर, बाय मिस्टेक आई हैव रिटन ऑर्डर्ड. ओके, सो ऑर्डर लिस्ट के अंदर अनऑर्डर लिस्ट को भी हमने डिक्लेयर किया है, इस टाइप की लिस्ट को कहेंगे, दिस टाइप ऑफ लिस्ट इज नोन एज नेस्टेड लिस्ट. ओके, देन हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ लिस्ट कैन बी नेस्टेड? So total 3 types of list can be nested within one another, and it completely forms a nested list. Okay, so it's not necessary that all three you are to nest inside one another. You can use either all three, or either you can use two from all of the three. Okay, so how many lists you can nest for forming a nested list? You can form a three type of list are used for forming nested list. First one is the order, second one is the unorder, and the last one is the definition list, which we learned just now. Okay, so here our list is completed, and in next lecture we are going to see the last point remaining of this chapter. That one is image element, the image element. Okay, so with these two topics I am sending you program as well. You go through the programs, go through the practical, and watch it carefully. If you are not having computer or laptop, you watch it 2 to 3 times, and do practice it if you are having a computer or a laptop. If you are not having, watch it again and again, so that you will understand how everything is going on. Okay, and for asking doubts, we will have a little bit doubt session in the form of meeting. I will inform you when we are going to have it. Okay, so thank you, and do watch the practical video also carefully, and you can text me that you have understood or not. Okay, thank you.